Do you know any leaders that took new opportunities, that changed jobs, that joined as a leader in a new organization? I have some great tips for you. Hi, I'm Peter Nichol, Data Science CIO. Today we're going to talk about team norms. The idea behind team norms is that every team has informal and formal ways in which they integrate, collaborate, and support behaviors that are encouraged by that team. The concept of team norms is to start with some principles that organization or that team specifically generates themselves and defines the behaviors that they encourage. By doing this, it helps focus the team on joined and unified behaviors. Sure, as a team leader or executive, you can demand and say, this is what we're going to be doing, or these are the ideals or the mantra or the credo that the team will take in or ultimately perform by or abide by. But it doesn't really gain a lot of joint ownership. If you want to have the joint ownership, you need the collaboration and ultimately you need input from your team and the people that are going to be day to day performing these behaviors and maintaining these norms. So how does this work? Typically, it works in like a roundtable session where you have a discussion about ideal behavior, about the norms that you want the team to have. And by doing this, you establish the foundation of how that team's going to perform, how they're going to interact, and specifically the dynamics of that team. Going in as a new leader, you have an opportunity to change those interactions. Some may be positive and some may be negative. There are certain situations where going in and defining team norms or being transferred to a team that's already high performing, I'd offer doesn't add a lot of utility. However, most of the time when you join an organization and you're involved and pick up or own a new team, defining team norms is an awesome way to unify and establish a baseline of team performance. So what are some examples of team norms? One might be treat others fairly, or be present, or be here now, so that you're in the meeting and you put down electronic devices and you pay attention. Potentially another norm might be timely respond to email. So what does that mean? Is that 24 hours? Is it 72 hours? Define those norms. What if you get voicemail? Should you pick that up in 24 hours or is a couple days okay? All those different standards you can establish as a protocol and a baseline for performance. What that does is it helps the team understand what's good performance and what's not good performance. It also allows the team to challenge the leader or executive in a healthy way. One norm might be you're always able to challenge the decisions respectfully. So yeah, we want a different and alternative opinion. It's not going to be accepted all the time, but we want the full, complete information when we make those executive decisions. Establishing team norms can have great benefits on team dynamics. Hi, I'm Peter Nichol, Data Science CIO. Have a great day.